in FMCG, Bosch, then Amul, Reliance, Tata.
Conduct this press conference. I'm sorry. I welcome all the media persons for this press conference. And Jammu has the privilege to conduct this press conference for announcing the launch of JIPMAT, the entrance exam that will play the key role in getting admission to the IPM. I would like to Sahai, Director IIM Jammu, to address the audience.
Lieutenant Governor of J&K was there besides other dignitaries. And this afternoon we are going to talk about our new program, that is IPM, 5-year integrated program in management, wherein this students will be getting 2 degrees after completion of 3 years, successful completion of 3 years. They will be getting BBA degree, and after successful completion of 5 years, I am Indore. They had started almost 10 years back, and last year it was started by another IIM, that is IIM Rohtak, and this year 3 IIMs are launching IPM, that is 5-year integrated program in management. Out of that, IIM Jammu and IIM Bodh Gaya, they decided to conduct national level test for admission in IPM. This test will be conducted by National Testing Agency, the agency which is conducting test for JEE, NEET and other competitive examinations. NTA is under Ministry of Education, and they have very high credentials for conducting tests. So we decided that we will be conducting this test through NTA. The ad will be coming soon. What is that date? Test on 20th of June. If you want to know more about IPM, and if you want to know more about JIPMAT, you can go to the site. JIPMAT site has not been activated, but it is going to be activated soon. Either today of JIPMAT is coming on 1st of April, and as I mentioned earlier that NTA will be conducting tests. So here all those students who are in class 12 writing exams in class 12, they can appear in this test. And because this CBSE board and ICSE board and other state governments and UT boards are there, so considering all these things, we decided that let all the board exam gets over. Particularly for us, it is important that CBSE and ICSE board predominantly should get over. And considering all those dates, we decided that this test will be conducted on 20th of June. Competition is going to be very tough because to begin with, intake at both the places, at IIM Jammu and IIM Bodh Gaya, intake is just 60, because right now we are operating from our transit campus, but next year onward this intake is going to be significantly increased once we move to our permanent campus in Jammu.